Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best finds and real value products. In today's review, we're looking at what we're calling the best Walker Edison bed frame alternative, the Sweetcrispy king-size metal platform bed frame. If you're in the market for a sturdy, no-nonsense bed frame that delivers on both durability and functionality, then stick around, because this one's worth your attention. First things first, let's talk design. The Sweetcrispy King bed frame comes in a sleek black finish and stands at 14 inches high. With dimensions of 80 inches long and 76 inches wide, it's built to accommodate a standard king-size mattress with ease. The minimalist yet robust style fits seamlessly into any room aesthetic, from modern to industrial, or even something more cozy and traditional. Now, onto what makes this bed frame special. It's all metal, and it means business. Constructed with high-strength steel, this frame is no lightweight when it comes to performance. It has a maximum weight capacity of up to 2,200 pounds. That means whether you're a solo sleeper, share the bed, or have pets jumping in, this frame won't budge. No box spring needed here. Just place your mattress on top of the sturdy slatted base and you're good to go. One of the standout features of the Sweetcrispy bed frame is storage. Since it sits 12 inches off the ground, you get ample space underneath for stashing away those extra boxes, off-season clothes, or even bulky bedding. This is especially useful for anyone looking to maximize their room's storage potential without adding extra furniture. Assembly is another major win for this product. It's designed for quick and easy setup. Everything you need, from tools to step-by-step instructions, comes in the package. No complicated parts, no need to hire extra help. You can have this frame up and ready within about half an hour. And it's compatible with all standard-sized mattresses, so you won't run into any awkward gaps or alignment issues. What really elevates this frame is its stability. Thanks to the solid steel construction and reinforced slats, there's no creaking, no shifting, and no sagging. Just consistent, firm support night after night. This makes it ideal not just for primary bedrooms, but also for guest rooms or rental units where you want a reliable and long-lasting setup. Let's not forget versatility. Whether it's a spare room, your main bedroom, or even a furnished rental, this bed frame suits virtually every environment. It handles movement, changes in temperature, and long-term use without losing its integrity. Plus, its casual and clean-cut design means it doesn't overwhelm your room's decor. The Sweetcrispy king-size bed frame offers the best blend of form and function at a price point that's hard to beat. For a little over $60, you're getting a durable, storage-friendly, hassle-free sleeping foundation. Add shipping and import fees if you're ordering internationally, but it still comes out as a high-value purchase when compared to other premium frames. It combines smart design, high-capacity support, and quick assembly in one package. Whether you're upgrading your current frame or furnishing a new room, the Sweetcrispy King bed frame delivers a lot more than its price suggests. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on smart product picks like this one. Until next time, sleep easy and shop smart.